Hi guys, well, here I am, Stineke from StiensArt. I thought, well, show your face so people can see who you are. Well, this is me. I went to the hairdresser this morning, and I think it looks beautiful. Now I have to dye it, and then I feel perfect. Well, today I want to do a lot of things, so I prepared. I want not use silicone in my paint. I want to do afterwards rainx. Some ask me always, how do you do it? Well, then I can show it to you. And I have this thing, I know now it's for the spaghetti, but it has here beautiful openings. I want to pour through it, and I'm also using the satin enamel. Now, I did not put flute roll in, but the Artist Junior, what I always use. So we're going to see what I'm making of it. I'm going to put you down and we are going to start. I had to fetch my gloves. Oh, I'm sorry, I forgot. My husband came in with the dogs and I told him I have the camera on, so be a little bit silent. And then I forgot to put the camera down. So I'm going to do it. I have to come closer. Now I'm searching for my canvas. Here it is. And I hope it's going to be okay, like this for you. Well, I'm going to make a puddle first. Oh. So we're gonna see. Maybe the puddle needs a little bit more. There is something in the paint as well. Glad to take it out. I'm always afraid I'm using too less paint. And maybe I'm using too much now again. Well, I'm learning. I do this for about 8-9 months now, and I learned a lot of it, but you always has to learn more. In the beginning I always had an imagine in my head what I was going to make, but I know now it's always different from what you think it's going to be. I think this is not quite alright. I'm trying to move a little so you can see better. That's what you get when you want to show your face. Camera is not just like you want. Well, what I am going to do, putting it maybe like this, up. Yeah, I think like this. And going, no, it's not like what I want. Maybe I can bend it a little. No, I'm not that strong. Well, just see what is going to happen. Maybe my paint muds up. I think it's better to lay it down and just make big rounds. I show in the description below the paints I used. I used a black metallic and I used silver and a pink and a purple. I write it below. And we'll see what's coming out of it. It won't be a nice ring pour. It will be something else, but I always like the abstract and the crazy things. And later on I can show you a unicorn where I'm working on. I'm really curious what this is going to be. Well, I take out the spoon, I lay it down here, I in here because otherwise I get too much messy around me. I just cleaned up my table yesterday. Oh, I forgot. I have a new heat gun. That's the one I wanted to try. A big thing. So I totally forgot I have this now. Put it down. I'm still a bit afraid of that machine. My paint is very shiny. I'm really feeling sorry you can't see that. Like I said, I did not use any silicone. And I think this time I used enough paints. And the colors are very beautiful. A little over the corners. Now this corner. I think there is something beautiful happening. I got cookie cutters. I'm not quite there where I want them, so I have to help them a little. I forgot to show you, but I wanted to keep my canvases more clean, so I taped cookie paper at the end, at the back I mean, with some tape. Well, I put up my gloves now and go along with the heat gun. Wow! These were paints who were standing there for some days, but I'm still very cautious with it. Well, I have a little spray bottle. I put in here the rainx, and now I want to spray some part and some part not, so I hope it's going to work. And I always do it from above, so I can, well, there is the room and the drops fall, not, I don't spray in my paint. So let's see, whoa, what we are going to make. Maybe it's too little because this is a new spray bottle. But here, oh, it's going everywhere. You see? This was not my idea, but yeah, well, like I said. And I want to go over now with this again. So maybe it's going to get bigger, those cells. It's all laced up now. That was not quite my idea. But yeah. lots of times our ideas go a different way than we think they will. So I want to go in it with my balloon. I filled up some new balloons yesterday because they all were shrunk. And I have some empty and I have new ones with water. So we're gonna see what we make of it. I always love to go in with my balloon. And now with all those little cells, it's going to be very beautiful, of course. This was one with air, and I like to see what one filled with water can do. If there is a difference, well, it goes a little deeper, I think. Well, with the lacing it looks very good. But I think I'm going to do it again without the rainx, because it did not come quite like I wanted, but still I can make beautiful things of it. Yeah, this is gonna be taking some time, of course. I need a new paper to clean up my balloon. I always have to see where do I go. Maybe I left a little bit too much paint. Yeah, and I'm thinking, should we do a balloon roll? Should we not? Of course, I could try. I'm going to come here. Well, you don't see much of a balloon roll. I think I'm gonna put this on the fast forward when I make the video ready for YouTube, so you don't have to be bored watching me making all those balloon kisses. Or you wanna see how I'm doing it and you stick on. You can see my paint falling off. Maybe it was a little bit too thin too, because the under layer I made was a little bit thinner than the up layer. Yeah, I'm watching. Where shall I put it? Where can I make some beautiful things? Would be surprised when you see it from up close how it looks. It's different from my usual. Usual I use a lot more colors, but I think this is nice too. Well, I take you down in a minute so you can see what it's from up. Well, here it is from up close. Isn't it lovely? You can see the lacings. Look at the colors. There are the balloon kisses. I believe it's very beautiful. I make some pictures that I put in front or in back of the video. Well, thank you for watching and I hope to see you next time. Bye bye.